Hey everybody, it's Ross from Northern Technology Services, and today we're going to talk about using Microsoft 365 online and using it to create and edit a Word document, as well as a couple of the different options to saving that Word document. So first off, we're going to start by opening up a new tab and going to office.com. Now in this case, we're already signed in as this user. So now from here, from the main screen, we're going to go ahead and click on Word. We're going to create just a new blank document. So now once we have this document open, one of the first things we want to do is we want to change the name of this document. We do so by clicking right here in the top and typing in a new document name. So obviously this would be whatever you would want it to be, whether it be legal, doc, letter to the editor, so on and so forth. And then from there, we can just go ahead and click away. And now we've saved it with the new document name. When this saves, this is automatically saving this to your OneDrive, which we will get to in another video. Um, so while you're here in the Word Online, you get access to pretty much all the same features you do in the traditional desktop version of Word, from inserting tables and pictures, modifying the layout, the size, coming over to add table of contents, footnotes, comments, word count. We can also add a header, footer, choose when the page ends, and so forth, as well as your traditional font, sizing, colors. And one of the cool features, which not a lot of people have noticed, and this is also available with the Office desktop applications, is the ability to dictate and say what you want to have typed onto the paper. So now once we've got that done, let's say we've got tons of stuff on this document and we want to print it off. So we can go ahead and come over here to File, and we can choose Print and to print this document. From there, it opens up your traditional print screen and gives you the ability to print the document to a printer that you have attached to your computer. Now, one of the other options is we want to save it. Say we want to save it as a different name at a different location, or we want to save this physically to our computer to put on a thumb drive or whatever it may be. So we can go ahead and choose Save As, and we can choose to save it as a copy online, which will then let us choose our folders within OneDrive or create a new folder in OneDrive to save it to. Or we can come back and go to File, Save As, and we can choose to download a copy. So by doing that, now we've just started the download process, and the physical version of this is available right here in my downloads folder. Let's say we want to send this document to a colleague or somebody else to work on or to look at. We can go ahead and hit File and Share, and we can choose to share it with people, which then gives us our share options, which include anyone with this link can edit it, people within the organization with this link can edit it, people with existing access, or just specific people. From there, we can drill down and make more modifications to allow editing, not allow editing. Um, we can block download if we don't want them to edit it. We can add a password to it, or we can set an expiration date to when they can stop viewing it. Or the other options we've got are to copy the link as well as send it with Outlook. Or we can just type in the person's email address, or if they're already a contact in your Outlook profile, you can type their name in and add a message, and this will send it directly from the Microsoft system. So that's a couple different options you have to not only creating that Word document from any browser where you've got access to the internet in office.com, but as well as to save that document to your OneDrive or physically to your desktop, as well as share it with somebody else. So I hope that helps. and make sure to check out our video list for other quick tutorials of how to utilize Microsoft 365. Thanks.